We on the way to go fishing. And it might be a little shaky because my selfie stick broke, so now I have to get a new one. But we're about to go fishing, at least for like an hour, just to see if we can catch some good old fish. And yeah, ooh, that was a fly. Yeah. It's a fly. How we feel right there? Look at it. Oh, it's gone now. Oh, that zooms in way more than the regular. Still learning new shit about this camera. Anyways, what's that? What is it doing? Like a major zoom and still focused.
Still focused?
Yeah. But no, you don't read the pamphlet. So what are you talking about?
Don't it got like features in it? Though?
Yes, it does. But you don't ever read the pamphlet. So
features I do. Or I go online on YouTube. Boy.
Oh, maybe I should do that. That face though. Anyway, but I don't know if we'll have a good day or not. I don't know. Let's just hope we can fish at our lake. Yeah, go. That's all I'm hoping for. So yeah, we're about to go. But I'll vlog on it. So fishing was a fail. It was a complete fail. Complete fail. But it was a fail because I don't think we weren't prepared. It's like getting late. The gnats are coming out. Gnats. Any bug. No. And gnats attack you. They don't give a fuck. They just attack you and attack you. And they buzz in your ear like little flies. And I hate it. So yeah, we weren't prepared for this fishing trip. We're going to try again in the morning. Not tomorrow morning because Malcolm's probably going to have to work. But we're going to try again. But we're going to do it early in the morning because it is too hot. The bugs is out.
It ain't even hot.
It's hot. I'm sweating. Y'all see the sweat?
I don't even see no bugs.
All them gnats. Look at them fanning gnats getting in. All them gnats. Gnats attack you. What? Oh, the keys. And I know they was attacking you out there. See, I got the AC blast.
I think I did.
To get them out of here. Look at them. They on the windshield. Can y'all see them?
Go around the window. But it's already attacking.
Y'all can't eat gnats. I hate them. Ew, and look, I squished some type of bug.
That white spot I seen over there.
Oh. What?
Yeah, I went down there and got down, hollered at John.
Yeah.
Old man had walked up, he seen that bit. When it flew in, he thought, oh shit, a motherfucking white spot just flew in. He started screaming loud as hell.
Wow.
Loud as hell.
I don't know what that is, but it's a bug. You see that little spot right there? Ew, it's like flying, so I'm rolling around though. It probably is there, but it moves. Probably from the wind, and I don't want the wind to push. I don't want the wind to push it in here with me. These air muscles. They ain't real though. Look. It ain't even real. No. See, they all gone. It looking like he got muscles. Oh, that look like titties now. Titties. Okay, now you arching your back like what the fuck? Titties.
Delete that shit, baby.
Tell them what we're doing.
Going fishing.
Hopefully we have a better trip this time. We got AJ with us. Right now we are still trying to find a fishing spot.
What?
Well, you gotta hold on for a second. We're still trying to find a fishing spot. So yeah,
They said it's like 18 pounds.
Oh, it is. get video footage. Yeah, we found somewhere to fish, but we have to find somewhere to actually stand at.
This is the river, and I've never been to the river actually. Never got a chance to fish it. I never even looked at it from no angle like this.
So, what is the catch? Everything?
In the river?
Yeah.
Oh, this is some world record catfishes out here and everything. Everything out here.
I saw a bird.
Yeah, top.
Oh, for real? Hey, stay in the car. Oh.
Oh man. Oh man.
Please.
Look.
It's the river. What river is this? Oh. But yeah, we need to find, it's the, what is it, Autumn River? But we need to find somewhere to actually fish. So, yeah. What kind of tree is that? That's not a willow tree. No, it's not. It just got a whole bunch of, that's not a willow tree. What is that stuff on there? It look like spider webs.
It's like one of the common trees we got.
But yeah, we just need to find a place to fish at, but yeah. We found the spot, y'all.
What spot?
A spot to fish. What you mean?
That one?
Yeah. Maybe we'll catch something. I don't know, because this is where the boats be at. So I don't know if the, you know, it don't scare them off or something. You ain't gonna be able to see them until we catch them. What you mean? Yeah, I do not think this is safe at all. Look how steep that hill is. He talking about, put on the emergency brake. Put on the emergency brake. Whatever. And he say it's top heavy. I don't feel safe. I'll walk back up. You can drive back up. He ain't got nothing on there. I don't know what he doing. Be careful, AJ. There's a waterfall close. I can hear it. Yep.
I can't see no fish.
Yeah, look at him, Jay. He got so much energy. Be careful, please. Be careful, please. Be careful, please. You done?
You moving this off?
Yeah.
What here?
Hmm?
What here?
What's what? Tires? Those are tires. Can you say it? Tires? Tires? Tires. That's what the car has to have to make it ride. The car ain't gonna work if it don't got tires. But when I tell you...
Down the Chevy.
Huh?
Don't doubt my Chevy.
Okay.
Whatever.
Sorry. I ain't even see your brother. You got so handicapped with that daggone finger boy. But he ran all the way up this damn thing and then continued running. When he got up, I said, "Oh, I was just tired as hell from walking up the bench."
Yeah.
And his ass
That's what I'm saying. I had my damn knees sore there.